And thanks very much for the delivery of the course. I currently work in digital shared service in the Department of Finance, so we're very aware of the increasing cyber threat and our need to have proper processes, structures and roles and responsibilities clear and clarified within our organisations. And I think what you've done through the last couple of days, Amar, has really helped us in terms of giving us structures, giving us processes which we can improve our cyber resilience across the board. I think one of the key takeaways for me is, the security side in terms of differentiating between what is an abuse of or violation of policy compared to what is actually a cyber threat, and differentiating that across our operational team. So a really valuable couple of days, so thank you very much.